Hi. Three big brokerage houses downgraded the stock of Motherson Sumi after the company recorded a jump of 289% in their profits in Q4. The revenues in Q4 were at 16,971 crores with a good growth, and margins also improved at 10.1% this time around. Not only this, the company records its lowest ever debt to EBITDA ratio, which was at 1.2 times. But why these brokerage houses downgrade the stock after such strong results? Let's know more of these in details, but to cut the long story short, all of these downgrades were on the account of the current valuation the stock is trading at, but the biggies continue to believe in the growth story of the company. First downgrade was seen from CLSA. They downgrade the stock from buy to outperform. The target price they have raised from 285 rupees per share to 295 rupees per share. The results as per CLSA's estimates was better and ahead of their expectations, especially on the front of EBITDA numbers that the company came up with. The results were better due to the margin resilience in their global subsidiaries, and on account of that, they have raised their EPS estimate for financial year 22 and 23 by 2 to 3%. They remain constructive on the medium-term revenue and the margin trajectory of the company, but the stock is likely factoring all of these, like the global recovery that the company is witnessing, the strong margins of their subsidiaries. All of these seems to be factored in the current market price, and the valuation the stock is trading at is at financial year 23 P multiple of 26 times, somewhat limits the upside potential as per what CLSA estimates. Next downgrade was seen from Jefferies. They downgrade the stock from hold rating to underperform rating, but have raised their target price from 190 to 205 rupees per share. There was a miss on the EBITDA numbers that was 9% below what Jefferies was estimating was, and even after factoring the strong top line and growth and the all-time high margins of their global subsidiaries such as SMR and SMP, the stock is trading at somewhat expensive valuation. The stock is trading at 34 times financial year 22 P multiple and 28 times financial year 23 P multiple versus the historical average of just 20 times PE multiples. So on account of that, they did downgrade the stock. Third downgrade was seen from Nomura. They downgrade the stock from buy rating and giving it now the neutral rating, but they too have raised their target price from 252 rupees to 301 rupees, and they see that the steady performance should likely to continue in the near term. The catalysts have played out well, and the long term they still see at a positive and long term growth story of the company building up as their EV order book has improved further. With their in the total order book, the EV contribution is now at 25%, which was somewhat 21% in the Q3 FY21. Last report was seen from Goldman Sachs. They remain with their buy rating with a target price of 236. They see that there has been an operational miss in the numbers, but they are positive on the cash flow generation and the deleveraging plans of the company. And going forward, they are positive on the growth of the order books of the company. The management highlighted that they are looking for some of the good acquisitions. They are planning for that, and the company would benefit, especially from how the EV story is building up. So on account of the first three downgrades that I highlighted, Motherson Sumi stock is somewhat showing some bit of correction in today's trade.